Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have one red A4 and no time to waste. First, fold the paper in half lengthwise, press the crease hard so it holds. This creates a true center line. Once done, open the sheet and fold both top corners to meet that center line, making a sharp triangular nose. Do this carefully. Precise alignment determines stability in flight. Make sure edges line up perfectly, because small offsets amplify at speed and ruin balance. Now refold the paper on the center line so the nose stays sharp and symmetrical. This is the dart spine. Next, fold each long edge inward toward that spine, but stop short to leave a small central ridge. The spine adds rigidity. Then, open and crease the wings. Measure about 1.5 cm from the bottom to set a slight dihedral angle. This helps stability. Take your time here, because wing symmetry controls lift and straight flight. Finish by folding the wings down evenly so their trailing edges sit parallel. Tuck 2 small flaps inside the nose to lock it. Give it a gentle, level toss to observe flight. If it veers left or right, don't refold the whole plane. Instead, adjust by bending the wing trailing edge by 1 to 2 millimeters opposite the drift. Small tweaks correct yaw without harming lift. If it stalls, slightly increase the nose weight with a tiny paperclip inside.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.